Morning guys, Scott Lett here with Iron City Power Washing. It's Memorial Day and we are out here cleaning this massive courtyard for Hoover City Schools. Got my business partner over there. So what we're doing in here is we're cleaning all the walls all the way around the courtyard. You can see this black up there. Cleaning all these light posts here. I think there's 20 light posts. We're gonna clean this Hoover High School sign here. We're gonna clean these drains. We clean these every year. It's a beautiful day. I think we're cleaning those benches. I have to look back at the scope. It's a 2-day job. I scheduled it for 3 because it's been raining a lot, but I think we'll get it done in 2. And then we're gonna come in here with our turbo nozzles and try to get up as much gum as we can. This is always one of our favorite jobs, and we do this every year, so this is a great reoccurring account for us. See the black right there. Nice $8,000 job. The business partner is going to get his ladder out and he's going to 12 volt all that, all the walls. Yes, we 12 volt. We've used the AR45s, the Comets, and we don't have time to fix the seals all the time. We don't have time to fix anything because we are just so busy. So I enjoy the 12 volt pumps. I can swap this bad boy out in 10 minutes and I'm back up and running. And if you plumb it right, you can shoot all the way, all the way to the top up there. So let's get going. All right, guys, the first thing I'm going to focus on are these drains in this wall here. I've learned since 2018 when we first started doing this that this is a lot easier to just sauce than trying to surface clean. Even if we surface clean it, we're going to have to sauce it anyway. So I'm just going to 12 volt this with about a 3 or 4% mix. Let it dwell, and then I'll come back and give it a good rinse, and shouldn't have to 12 volt anything. And it's already changing very quickly. And plus we're also down a man because our tech is on vacation, so this will expedite the whole process so we can get this job done in a timely manner. Commercial jobs are good when you can turn them over quickly. This job used to take us a week. Now we can get this whole place done in a day or 2. Definitely a day if our tech was here, but since it's just me and my business partner, we'll get it done in probably 2 days. And plus it's Memorial Day, so we want to go spend some time with family. But I'm already getting a good change here. Definitely on the wall. Saucy sauce is working. All right, guys, in the meantime, while I let that dwell, we are cleaning all these light posts here. So I'm gonna clean these real quick. I'm gonna use my X-Jet nozzle. business partner up there working on the 2-tier roof there. He's salsing everything and then rinsing it for the higher stuff. The bottom stuff, he's just using his turbo nozzle. But these posts are cleaning up very nicely with the X-Jet nozzle. That right there, just going up and down. It's a beautiful day. Happy Memorial Day to you guys, by the way. All right, guys, this job's going well. Got all that cleaned up there. Business partner is over there 12 volting. All that over there is clean. The light posts are clean. That's nice and clean. That side's nice and clean. Just gotta rinse under here. A few more light posts to do. He's gonna finish this wall, and then all we have left tomorrow is coming back and getting all the gum up over there, and then cleaning all the flat work under that awning there. But man, these light posts turned out nice. He uses a Remco 12 volt pump. I like the Everflows. They seem to last a little bit longer, in my opinion. Nice, easy commercial job.